Love the walk. We need to do these things more often, baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Carry the next step. And we're going to do it, baby.
Just think more on that now still though. There's something to talk to you about. Yeah. I think more, you know.
More? Of course, you always want more. What kind of more you want? What kind of more you want? Tell me.
Just want to be more spontaneous, you know.
Yeah, that was.
I feel like so we can maybe buy one handcuff. One time, I do my thing. You know, so you can't move, you know.
But you know, so I like to move anyway, so you don't want to tie me up. That doesn't sound too... I don't know.
But anyways, we can think about it.
Alright, we think about it.
So yeah, how does this work?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A long time I want a boy.
Walk on, Shan.
Sorry.
Hello.
What's up?
There. Just there take a walk with Alton through the lawn and thing.
Alton?
Yes. He ain't got no one part in this. So walk on.
No, I'm just there. So I come breeze out a little bit for the sun there.
Okay, so I just there for run come around here, come find you because while ago, you know, after me and him I have this nice walk. Long time we don't really spend some quality time together, you know. So I didn't walk the nice and everything, and then after we reach one part, he stop and say, yo, you love how everything is going, but he kind of want a little bit more. What kind of more you really feel like, say, boy, I want? My heart and tell me, say, you know, they're interested in a little bondage. You know, like to tie me up and they could do a little thing with me, constrained.
I never know say into them things there.
Me, after me not into them things there, me tell him some not too like them things there still, but me tell him some me think about it, you know, because...
Nobody think about nothing, nobody go down them road there with him.
But I'm a boyfriend and we come from far, you know, we have enough things so we accomplish so far. Me see him as the one, you know, me see him as possibly later down, but no, not right now, but me see him as that, so...
But if I'm going to push you into doing things where you don't want to do, why?
Say him push me still, but maybe we can think about it. That's why I don't want to talk to you about it. What do you think?
Hey, what do you mean by tie you up on them things there? Them things they lower your self-esteem I come talk about. Tie up. I make no boy tie you up here. That me I say, I make no boy tie you up.
Well, we're a friend for a long time still, you know, from primary school days to be exact. So, you never steer me wrong, you know, and when you put it like that, for say you only want to tie me up after we have flourished.
Lower your self-esteem. Him alpha and you are not even omega.
Alright. I go take what you say still in consideration and I go talk to him about it. I tell him say yeah. I tell him how I feel about it. So
tell him say if you can make your next woman do that, because I'm sure you have a next woman. What? You don't have to put it to him say no, but I'm sure.
He never really showed me no sign of that still, you know. I not put it past no man, you know. Don't get me wrong. But he never really showed me no sign of that still.
No, because he not show you a sign, them no mean say he not do it. Someone know if you hide them thing, you know, someone well private and well secretive. You did know same did into all of this bondage and tie up shit. Well, first of all, where him come from with them tie up shit here? I probably somebody else will show him that and him will say, oh, I'm come try this with Dory.
Still don't know. Where him learn them things there from? Is it that he did always like this? But me and him there for so long.
And he never showed them things there before. As somebody this a come from, remember me tell you?
Me and him are going to have a conversation.
Right way.
For sure. So, thanks again for your ever so awesome advice.
And how you find me out here as a girl? Next time, never go change my hiding place then because you find me too easy.
Mas, me say,
bye.
Me say a little word, me call him.
Alright.
Hello?
Alton?
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Sean.
Tory friend Shan. Me down by the golf course and me here say that's where you there too. You no leave it.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Which Sean? Which Sean?
Tory.
I have about 6 Sean in this phone.
Tory friends Shan.
Tory friend?
Yeah.
How will you get my number?
Know yourself what how me get the number. Me here say the golf course. Me there on I'm back there, so come give me a link. Me have something where me feel like you need to see right now. Something we need attention right now. Serve!
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can I get one bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty.
Tough.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kissing the guy now. Lie. Which lie? Me just see you kissing the guy a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe, girls, you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you. You still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe some mess really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad looking, so? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life, though? Cha.
Babes. What happened? Where come on people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a crosses me I pick up? Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? Me no know what you talk about. Me clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now, because I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call him? Come in, I'm kidnapping also. Junior! Junior! How Tony I call my phone for all an idea, yeah? When I call my phone for? Hello? What you want, Tony? I'm not leave with you no way, I'm just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I'm not plan to let my yard today, no. How? What you really say to me? Alright, I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. The tuna problem. Outside. Tony!
Come on, son now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about how him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you said to me?
Yes sir, so when you come in and tell me say you catch your woman as a co-man too. Me a feel say then how could I really have one idea? How could I really cause them missing thing?
Hold on there. Because he rain come down, I'm lock up the window there. Alright, good rain fall. Okay, but even good for the phone now. I tell you, say, if I did me in a few shows, probably say I disrespect it. See me right now, I'm not going to mash up the girl.
Funny. Don't know about with that right now. Me understand what you're saying. Tell me what really go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carried it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So, on the way walking come home, you know, say, do I see a girl, I bust out one nigga tongue.
What you say to me?
She never bust out my tongue, so yet, you know, never, you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Junior really call me today and I tell him say, oh, him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me all sort of foolishness. Okay, what are you? I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat down the grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text him, he not answer. I holler down my throat, told him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle, me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight, me and him fight? I don't go hungry, we'll be here together, you know? You want me to tell me, say?
Hush, man.
Junior really
Stop it crying, man. You're not crying, man. Things are better, man. Oh. Stop it crying, man. Everything got alright with them, man. Stop it crying.
Why Junior not do this to me?
I just saw life set, man. Stop crying for me now, please, now. Please, now, stop crying now. Stop crying, man. I'm wipe out your face, yeah. Stop crying, push.
Make sure you keep out between me and your secret, you know. Coming on, nobody know.
That good man can't keep that secret. But I wish you never have to go somewhere.
Yeah, I'm going to go cook some food here. We'll call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank? What do you mean a prank you did a prank me? Me mama clock.
What one?
Where you are going at night, yeah?
You talk about when me I go. And when you are go them time of hours you look so hot.
No, say don't me yard me I go do.
Oh, Brownie, you know, it's a long time I like you.
You like me, so long it take to tell me that.
But I wouldn't mind could I know more about you, you know? Where you go out and try to anywhere you want to go. Do some skydiving and thing you want, you see me? All for me, you know? Oh, you bite up your lip themselves like in a mood, man. What you say about that? Well, I'm not telling you, I enjoy it, you know?
Me too.
Wow, now wish if we can see one at a time, you have a look comfortable, you know? How to do it in a very comfortable.
Yeah, come in never ready for done yet.
Alright, me have your number still. So me will call you, because I don't want to keep you out too late, so time already late, so we link up, yeah?
Alright then.
Alright, no come I'm gonna go on the whole road tonight. Wow, what a night.
Look like she get the job done.
Hello.
Yeah, you deal with the thing?
Job done, man. The boy want little piece. Right name is Gigi. Me know a place stand at him one day too. Yeah. Yeah, man, tomorrow can go dusty boy. I must send some pictures still. You can see the place state set up and thing, isn't it?
Good job, babe. So, one thing more I could know is come by me. I'm not exactly at the house now, but I'm on my way there. Make sure you come see me.
Alright, that's enough.
Can't believe so much left there to pay them in I sink. Only one. Tired to tell him about this, you know. And them knowing how chat about me miserable. Watch out.
That's what takes the boy and chill.
Yo, Roger.
Oh, you wicked, so man. You couldn't call me, man.
Yeah, well, you know, I was I text you, see you send that.
Yeah, man, from the side text say just like me, I say, yo, level out. Yeah.
Yo, we have to go link up and celebrate for now.
Yeah, man, a simple one, chi, man. We can link, man, but you know, say, no fitting could be right, so not to do it like that.
Yeah, man, alright. Me call the brownie right now.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
What me not get is, oh, you make me do them something and I feel my way about it.
Because if you want me to feel that way, if you really want to find out about me, just do what you do for me now, for your next man, and so on.
Alright. So, babes, what I'm to with this man? Why him? Why? You know, we go through all of this. Why this man?
I'm not normal to do this, I understand, but I'm not really him. I understand. I'm up a virgin named Richie. And my man, I really want to get rid of, but that's for next time. Huh?
What's up? Wow. There. Yes, I'm not going nowhere today.
No matter how many times I call this still, you know. Want a link up back.
Yeah. So we can meet up today then.
Yeah, man, I'll get a location.
Okay. Alright then. Just call me when you're ready.
Alright, that's it. Stay tuned, yeah? Okay, baby. Love you.
Yeah, go link up today.
So, you know the location?
You might go say it to me.
Alright. Boy, I could bring in Virgin, you know. See him, man, I tell about. Alright, tell her where you do. Link up with him. When I go up on the location, text me or call me, anything. Let me know what I'm going. I probably have to take out to you today.
Alright.
Alright, so just deal with that, right?
Alright.
So, yes, my beautiful people, that has been it. We have arrived at the end of another video. Kindly, please, thank you. Leave a like on the video, subscribe if it's your first time over here and you're not yet subscribed. And Mr. Lawrence shall see you in another video. Little more.
The place lock up long time, man, and then stop using it.
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stuff to use it. Forward.
So you say you're going now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry her up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw.
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. So I wouldn't mind you can help me. What you can do for me?
Yeah, man, that is no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me I go get it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember say me a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. You see, I have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, me like it. Good. Wow. That taste good. Pick up yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want to man them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it, you know.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop there someday, you know. I cannot, man.
I no settle down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story. Worry about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything I go turn out good. The man did marry them. I mean, you know. One day me go through his stuff them and me find one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on this side. You know tell me, a people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there with one woman up there and the woman three pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to the chop you now Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. I remember saying tell me pregnant. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this so. Me tell him say me no want hear nothing the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him say to come out of the house, man. Pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the 3 daughters, he no want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? Enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as you see one man you have to fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like I'm in church boy, you know we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
Because I'm ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man there boy, because good man now do them something there. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it them time they like to give me. So you know say if the man want one high cement on me, because you see to me I say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay forever when they know deep down they're not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping you know. Candy, then come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want here. And then have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants say a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a Candy. Them a no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes.
As maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when me did there with before. Girl, me say, if you want ice milk, me give you. Anything at all you want, me give him as long as me have it. This sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, know. But guess what? Me want to come from around here so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough, Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down in a Candy. You're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money figure. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, I just me go call it. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Well, what me say? Choppings.
Show there. When night come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take your money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet you 10.
Let's eat. Check.
Check you really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. Well,
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I bet fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm gonna run with truth or dare, you know. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you will go first then. Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you that goes so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they forward yourself, you'd have put it on them?
Yeah.
Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes. Poppy. Alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna sound like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for sex 20x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital. I had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You want to have a good time? A good time I gonna get. Meanwhile, I'll wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus stop? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember, I have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Why I had to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell us something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over. But I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean? It was just fun. It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No. I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow, basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment, but it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! Great. Okay.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food. So I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now. So can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is
okay? It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
I can believe the Brad actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
Oh boy, this girl not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I don't care about it, I don't get it done in there, you see me? Yeah. You see me? Yeah. Alright. So, deal with it, you know?
Yeah, deal with it.
No, man. I done kill everything already. You need to force yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. We come. We don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long. I'm just come and just buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I think about them things. You see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need the support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never fall. But you can charge me 80,000 or the dollar.
I'm so far out of there, man. You give me a call.
You're not here.
I'm so far out of there, man. No one I do all that. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know. I'll come, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I go in my book, and kind of get a look at one piece, you know, I just feel emotion and love it, but
yo, what, Papa?
shocking,
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from the south? Bully shot, you little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to hear this for me, here. Hear this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see people. How good is
The man up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bullying the shop. A she ain't give a figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you, can go on.
Are you going to send the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, make her. Make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl no want you. You know how long me see her right later send go by here. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know say girl no want you.
Kira, you left all the way from down so. Down there so. Come up here so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me paper, give me paper. Give me paper.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's only two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish offer. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Popeye, come here. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the 2 grand. You really a lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Our mission to go deal with it no bad now.
You're not good for borrow. You're not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up. Uncle Papa made them this look fun. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know, the girl when you're Bulisha?
Yeah, you don't go well live right on this up.
Yeah. And I decided they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. You're not good for borrow.
I say girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Yes, oh, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party, breakfast party at that. That's the thing now. I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can't give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What do you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this about to give me. Me I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. Me I go come pick you up and we go to a party. Me have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
Officer smiling. You know what take place out of some?
You know, sir, they are pre-war about because
you don't really know what
I
going.
get the full info, and I mean the blueprint not really.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening here?
No.
John no start. Everly. What going? Do you know what's happening here?
Right, so making the best movies in the universe. Right, yes, so.
Yeah, but specifically that scene I may ask about though.
But just come.
Okay.
I'm new to this specific scene.
Okay.
I'm something else.
Well, what more you up to from when?
Yeah.
You just there?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some.
You buy more room? Can I get some? More?
But just young cup.
Yeah, I love how it tastes. You mix it perfect for me. Just carry.
You know, I made a rum mixture.
Alright. See my property there, I always have my name on it, you know.
Hey, property this?
See I see my name on her. Look good, see if I see my name on her.
Shakaberry. What do you make a corn stone?
Hey people, we are going to see go see what going on with them people. That's all. Officer don't know what going on. Friend here don't know what going on either. Missy here. Boy, they ain't hot in that place though.
I tell you, when you come out.
What do you have to carry back?
We're going up there, guys. Sagad, man always not have no shot. It ain't big good. So, how are you going on, sir? Where you feel?
What a movie are you for?
What you say? Hey, we have follow them until we find out what are going on, people. Because I figure out what I go on it still, you know? Alright. We are follow them people.
Come on there.
Come on down here to see me. Shaka Berry come. Alright, so we are going to find out what I go on people. In the meantime, just click like on the video and definitely subscribe. No thing go. December, so may have milk cup here as well.
No credit.
Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm curious.
Come on.
Camar! I'll get Camar. Who we get that? Come, we want to talk to you a little bit. What's up?
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time I not see you. What have you been up to? How the
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
How far your
When I
birthday?
get a call for a job, I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how has that been? How has that been?
It
for you?
has been horrible.
So,
But guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
What's acting?
No, do some more news reading and anything there.
I me come first still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk but no pit but a pit no enough for the man. Me have like jacket to go over my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right then.
So I got suit up this evening before you go?
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are going to see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham,
And yes, so too.
Richard Brown Films, and
Yeah, so that video where them I watch, them for subscribe, yes, so too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you're going to make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No, sir. Richard gonna have hard feet. Later. Yo. How you drive go?
This is the hungry thing.
Me not hear curious as I need there now, so.
Same, sir?
They must want to best of act.
You come right now?
Me don't know. Where you gonna buy food?
Hunger.
Where you gonna get food?
It's been hungry.
You rob somebody there? Alright, where you get food and come back then?
Yeah.
Alright, go get food. So people will get food in case curious not stop. We up there, so we get some food and come back.
Agent.
Me nah tap video, you know, Everly. Nah tap video. Cause I know so they go love you in this video. You go hear them ask, who is that lady?
They know me. You did an interview with me before.
Yeah, but I saw new people and I know every time I subscribe.
People now?
All the while, they always
You
are
didn't
subscribe.
tell me?
Yeah, because always I tell them to subscribe, so I always have new people that subscribe. By the way, people, a couple of them didn't even show me earlier. A courtesy
My best friend.
Miss Everly here.
I got.
I made that wait for me. Come on, road.
Are you married?
Who married?
I'm married too.
If who married?
Alright, that's
How we are actually them married? You still not drive it?
Road.
Later. So them are my boss, you say they want to get food, but them are shoot. Alright, right, straight up. Shaka Berry people and I know I didn't get your name, miss. What's your name? Oh, I still don't know your name, people. Alton, this film. Rastaman.
So far there?
Kinda mal out, as you mean.
Blood clot now.
Right now?
Too forward. Where forward go?
Talk to her.
Carry over this and shoot the one scene.
Selassie, right away, where forward?
Alright, Selassie, hero.
Work up before belly.
Yeah, of course.
Tragic.
Coming from afar, we have to park the car. Yeah.
Oh, guys, a fun island.
So quick shoot before food. So Alton, tell me about your plans for locks, you know. And turn real Rasta, man.
Don't have the jet. This is not a jet.
So yeah, people, big boy a plan for make one little transformation.
Yeah, I mean, we don't want hungry. We don't want hungry belly Rasta now, we think. A Rasta not hungry, you know. Oh, too much food there. A Rasta be hungry.
Selassie, I know.
Food there to the limit.
Frost your blows and skirt, watch him.
You want out?
I'm not so brave.
Where do you carry?
No, no, look. Come on, carry.
Right now, the bag, can your bag roll up? Some things in it? No. You should have one bag. Alright. Hold up.
Where was it there?
Huh? What is that? So you go carry a bag, give me a bag. That's how you are coming with it. You are coming with everything. You are alone, you are coming with everything. So you are coming in the bag and now. You are in the road. Me in the road, man. I will arrest, man. You are coming with the car now. You are just go to the road. Go to the car, take the car, run up on me. Me and say, yo, here what? You hungry? I guess I may have to see if I can get some food. So the boy come out there like you want to pull over the side of the road or whatever. She come. She goes, where? You can't imagine so. I say, hungry man, hungry. So they have a sitting there where you have. I say, yo, come out, step them and sit and come out the road. You come out the road. That's simple, man. That's really a showcase for people. Yeah? Yeah, I can't see everything we are doing. Hungry is a food I told. A food I told, I can't cross it. Eh? You go for candy. When you go for candy with it, you will take it from there. You understand? Yes. You just push out. Mommy later. I lost money having gas to go and go look up girl and save her life. Yeah, but you get a chiropractor and medicine. What you can hold that bag? In the last man, when I didn't know you remember save that in your bag, right? Take out it and give me some more direct man. You struggle to back get one. You know what is the habit to my lab. I ain't gone. Hungry man. You come out that car now.
Yes. Ready? Come out the road, man. Let me say that.
Yeah, come back. Let me some food. Food, man. Food. Hungry. You know that food. Hungry, man. Hungry. Food.
Come out the road. Come out the road.
I say this boss is saying hungry too. Boss is saying hungry too. Man say no come out the road.
Hold on. You been here, Karen? Come on. Come on. Come out the road, people. How are you the road?
Hungry, daddy. How much money buy?